Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, as we know, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is coming early next year, with massive camera features and characteristics. But on the other hand, Samsung's new biggest rival emerged, with impressive features in the camera department that can give really tough time. Yes, according to the latest news, the new Xiaomi 15 Ultra incorporates Samsung's revolutionary new 200 megapixels camera and many other exciting details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. In June, Samsung unveiled the ISOCELL HP9, a groundbreaking 200 megapixel telephoto camera sensor, marking a new milestone in smartphone photography. Currently featured in the Vivo X100 Ultra, this cutting-edge sensor is poised to make its debut in another major flagship, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This development has generated significant excitement among tech enthusiasts and smartphone photographers alike. The ISOCELL HP9 stands out as the world's first 200 megapixel telephoto camera sensor designed for smartphones. Known for its exceptional resolution and image clarity, it has already set high standards in the Vivo X100 Ultra. As Xiaomi prepares to integrate this sensor into its forthcoming 15 Ultra, there is anticipation regarding how the sensor's performance will be further enhanced by Xiaomi's software optimizations. Here are the key expectations of the new upcoming smartphones. Xiaomi 15 Ultra integration. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to feature the ISOCELL HP9, based on current reports and the sensor's exclusivity. Performance comparison. The performance of the HP9 in the Vivo X100 Ultra has been impressive, and there is optimism that Xiaomi's software may offer additional enhancements. What about Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra? Despite the HP9's high profile, it will not appear in Samsung's next non-foldable flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which will instead use a 50 megapixel ISOCELL telephoto camera. Now here is important information about new smartphones. Sensor introduction. The ISOCELL HP9 is Samsung's latest 200 megapixels telephoto camera sensor, introduced in June 2024. What will Xiaomi use? The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to be the next smartphone to use the HP9, enhancing its photographic capabilities. What is current usage? The sensor is already in use in the Vivo X100 Ultra, showcasing its advanced performance. What is Samsung's choice? The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 50 megapixel ISOCELL telephoto camera instead of the HP9. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Stay blessed. Peace out.